Good, it's your boy Al back with another video. Today we're going to pick up the Daytona from Mako. I took and got it painted, and I didn't record the process of me taking off the decals, but I felt like that was tedious. I ain't even feel like y'all should watch that. But anyway, we're going to pick it up today. I'm gonna just catch y'all there, and then I'm gonna do a walk around of it. Y'all. Here go to Daytona, but they got me all the way in the back, so I ain't gonna be able to do a walk around, but looked like they did clean up. It was like some issues right here, but they fixed that on up. We're gonna go ahead inside of Mako. This is the Mako on Broad Street, man. We're gonna go up inside there and get the keys, get them to give me from back here, bro. This been sweet. They got a Genesis up here. Oh, this from a dealer? Hell yeah. They getting this joint painted. They selling that joint. They ain't got no price on it though. No. Yeah. I wanted one of these. I wanted the 5.0 joint though. The Genesis. The front of them joints look crazy. Look at the dealership on that there. That's wicked. Ain't not crazy though. Oh man, your boy is back in the Daytona, man. We downtown at the Broad Street Mako. They got me right. I had some issues here and there, but we finally out here. Y'all hear the exhaust. I'm gonna roll down the window. In a minute, man. Pull up out of here. Man, we right here downtown. I'm gonna get a couple pulls in right now too, cause I ain't even been in this junk, been doing nothing, bro. I need my power back, that torque from the low end, cause this the 5-speed, so we definitely take off at a light or something. I miss this joint, man. Big miss it. But I don't think I ever showed y'all the interior of this joint. This joint messed up, man. I was working in here, working out of here. I don't know if y'all don't know, I work on cars, and I had dirty gloves, but the headliner, I already got a replacement headliner, so I ain't really tripping about that. Armrest, dash coming up, seats cracked up too, but I'll show y'all that better when I get stop and we take a walk around of this junk. But Daytona definitely gonna come back strong though. But this bitch, y'all can't even tell because this like digital dash. I'm in first. Seatbelt, man. We gotta be safe out here, man. Where the hell are my glasses, though? I can't even see shit. My boy out here blind. I gotta get used to this one hand recording too, man. Oh, there go my glasses. Need to keep an eye out for 12. Niggas back up in here tweaking. But yeah, man, I need to get me a GoPro. That way I could do 2 hands on the wheel. I don't really like driving with one hand at all. That shit dangerous, bro. Especially the way I be driving. I can't really be doing pulls like that with one hand. I'm gonna hit this U right here so I can take my ass back on. Been a while, bro. Damn, I miss this shit. I need to link up with my boy Zeus, man. He got an SRT. For anybody who was keeping up with the YouTube channel, your boy been slacking. He had the 5.0, but he traded that for an SRT. Now he just put in the order for something new, but I ain't gonna tell y'all what it is. 0 miles, 0 owners. He gonna be the first owner of that bitch. Yeah, man, I'm proud of my nigga though, bro. He doing this thing out there. Oh, look at this Audi. Hold on. Audi, man. That's the TT, I think. Oh, he's swerving through it. I can't do that one hand, man. He playing. Oh, what the fuck are you doing? What the fuck? Alright, y'all. We got him right in front of this Hyundai Zera. I hate when people do that signal last minute, man. I need to go in auto mode, cause god damn it, ain't no way I'm shifting gears like that with the one hand. No sirski. But I definitely need me some kind of phone mount or something. And he flow. He got the blue exhaust tip. Y'all can't really see it. I can see it. It looked like he far away because I got y'all in the wide angle zoom. I'm using my phone to record. That was unnecessary, bro. That lane gonna stop. See, people like that though, like they don't be paying attention to traffic. Like, I be trying to advance. Yes, sir. Buddy got that. He got that. He got that. Yes, sir. That sauce. That sauce. Sauce and exhaust. I'm just happy, bro. I'm just talking some bullshit. Boy, excited, man. I got some stuff coming for the Daytona. I think tomorrow's video, I'm probably gonna mess around and put on the wing and the front chin lip spoiler on the front bumper. I gotta take that bullshit that's on it now off. Look, buddy right behind me. Y'all can't see it. Look at her. He coming up. Buddy want that action. And he trying to line her up. Oh, we gotta get over, man. See, bro, this why I don't like downtown Richmond at all, bro. At all. Come on, man. Y'all go ahead and get over, bro. Get over before I go. You ain't gonna be able to go. You stupid. I ain't waiting for you. People so stupid, bro. And what are you doing? Oh my god, dog. Let me hold my camera. Y'all see why I'm getting so aggravated with these people. Five speed, baby, ain't no joke. Look at her. Oh, hold on, people coming. Look at that shit. Woo! Yes, sir. I don't know who that is. I gotta see. Hey, bro, if you see this video, bro, I'm gonna post this on 804 meets everything Richmond, bro. I know you gotta be in the car, the group driving that, bro. And you in Richmond, bro. You gotta be. Yes, sir. I'm about to get up with bro. I'm about to get up with his ass. Hold on. Get this fucking F-150 out of my way, man. I'm about to get up with bro. We about to cut up a little bit, chat. I'm in first. Spinning. Spin. Spin City. And his exhaust sound good too. It don't sound obnoxious at all, bro. What the fuck is this van doing, man? See, man, I need a cameraman. That way I could really drive. Bro, I'm telling you, I could drive. Your boy be driving. I can't really do nothing. Boy, can't do nothing. Yeah, man, downtown Richmond, VCU area. This not where I normally be. I normally be like Southside Richmond. Just driving around Medlow, bro. Hit me up. Y'all in the comments, y'all in Richmond, bro. I'm always out here. Literally, just driving. Sometimes I be driving for nothing. Just to be out this jump, man. Hit a nigga on E. A nigga on E. Hold on, look, nigga on E. Don't worry about it. Look. My tire light is on because I got 3 slow leaks. And my engine light is on because the air intake sensor. So, let me roll the window up. Oh, gosh, bruh. Come on, bruh. This lane should not be stopping. Like, legit. This is not... You can't even turn through this lane. But I'm about to get up in front of that GRTC. Hold on. I don't know if y'all see it up there, but we're going to get up there. This fucking Forester beside me. I ain't trying to cut nobody off with one hand, man. I can't do this shit with one hand. My right hand is my dominant hand. He gone. Look. Motherfucker speed up. That's another thing on like Richmond, cause niggas speed up knowing you ready to get over. Knowing you ready to get over on some petty shit, bro. There you go. Mustang up that bitch. Get on through there, man. Bring that little TT. Bring that TT, man. Let him fly by. Bring the TT, man. Yes, sir. We getting on through there. Shit, hold on. Fucking around, fuck it. Nigga should be out here making some money. We chilling, man. I can't even beat my old beat. I would like to do a dig, not a dig, a roll, but I mainly do digs in this bitch because it's a 5-speed, so my shit ain't even all that. But I know bottom end, like this Daytona, bro, everybody be saying like 5.7 slow, 0.57 slow. Like, me and my nigga ride all the time. He got an SRT. I don't be that far behind him. So I know the right shit done to this bitch, I can make this shit run like a 6.4. No doubt. But I already got like small shit done to it. I put like performance spark plugs in here. I don't know if y'all watched the last video. I noted that. Performance spark plugs, 275s in the rear. Eventually, I'm going to get a set of wheels. I'm trying to look for, like, a good company. I was thinking about, well, I ain't going to name them because I'm going to try to get it, a sponsor with it. But we definitely going to try to get something rolling, man. Definitely. But, yeah, man, I'm going to catch y'all when I pull over. I'm about to... Yeah, guys, here y'all go. Final look at what it looked like after Mako. But I'm going to show y'all a couple spots they had back here. Y'all can see that. Looking tough. It is dirty, though. So, they all around, they did a good job. They got a little overspray. They pretty much got overspray around a lot of spots, but the paint, like, all around, it looked pretty good, man. I ain't gonna lie. But I just feel like for $1,200, just about $1,300, it should have been better. But hey, man, that's the Daytona, man. Yeah, looking good. Let me see something else. Got something right there in the paint, but they said that was from the bumper. But yeah, man, like, if you watch the video this long, like the video, drop a comment for me. Let me know if y'all like it, y'all fucking with it. If y'all not, bugs and shit, man. But yeah, man, drop a like, man. Comment on the video. We got more coming. I got another video for y'all too.